Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button on this video. So, let's get started. Here you can see a TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. This one is the TP-Link RE200. First of all, plug this extender into a power strip. Make sure it has been reset already. If not, reset it using a pin. Now, go to your phone screen and open the Wi-Fi settings. Here, you will see the TP-Link extender signal. Connect to it. After that, tap on the right side arrow, scroll down, and tap on IP settings. Then select Static. From here, copy the gateway address and go back. Next, open the Chrome browser and paste the address you copied earlier. Go to that address. Here, you'll be asked to create a router login password. The password should be at least 8 characters long and must include both numbers and letters. Type the password twice, then click Start. Now, zoom in on the page. You will see your main router signal. Just tap on it and type your Wi-Fi password. Then click Next. If you have a 5 GHz supported router, you can set it up here. If not, just click Skip. After that, click Confirm. Here, you can also edit the SSID name. I'm going to keep it as it is. The router password will be the same as your main router. Finally, click Next and wait until the extender reboots. Now, if you open Wi-Fi again, you'll see the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender signal with full bars. Just connect to it. That's it. The Wi-Fi extender setup is completed. As you can see, it's working without any problem. So friends, this is the way you can easily set up the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.